Getting started with SQF certification. What is SQF certification? The Safe Quality Certification is a globally recognized food safety management system that is a part of the GFS I recognized programs. The SQF scheme is developed and maintained by the SQF Institute. Why do you need SQF certification? There are many reasons why you will need an SQF certification. SQF is one of the GFS I recognized food safety management system. SQF is easy and flexible to be implemented. SQF certification is widely recognized in North America, proving to your customers that you have a working food safety management system. Build and optimize your food safety management system. Who needs SQF certification? You may need SQF certification if you are a food manufacturers, primary producers, pet food manufacturers, animal feed manufacturers, animal product manufacturers, dietary supplements manufacturers, food storage and distribution center, food packaging manufacturers. How do you get an SQF certification? To gain an SQF certification, you must complete the following activities. 1. Apply for SQF certification through a certification body. 2. Develop and implement SQF programs based on the most updated SQF edition 9.0 code. 3. Nominate an SQF practitioner and a backup SQF personnel. 4. Schedule an initial SQF audit. 5. Get an SQF audit. 6. Pass SQF audit with at least 70% score. 7. Complete and submit corrective actions for any major or minor non-conformances that are raised during the SQF audit. 8. Wait for certification body decision on the certifications. Further, SQF recertification requires evidence that indicates that the SQF requirements are being followed and practiced consistently. When will you get your SQF certificate after your audit? How can SFPM Consulting help with SQF certification? There are many ways we can help you get started with your SQF certification. The basic, get started with SQF template. Why invent the wheel when you can get our expert written and easy to follow SQF template? The Basic Plus, SQF program development, done within 30 days, so you can focus on implementation. The Premium, all-inclusive SQF development plus guided SQF program implementation. Worry about missing out on important steps or processes for your SQF certification? We are here to help you. That's why we offer a premium package for selected SQF clients only. Inquire about our SQF services today.